Good morning. Welcome to a vlog. I am doing Beth today for the Jennifer Hudson show, Beth Bears, and it's the holidays, and I'm needing to get some product in packaging, and I have a little bit of time before I have to get ready for work, so I thought I'd show you a day in the life of a hairdresser and an entrepreneur, and yeah, hope you stay with me today. I'm already tired. Oh, okay, well, I have to leave in 45 minutes, and that took way longer than it should have. They just left in a messenger, and now I have to race and get ready for work. The good thing is I looked at my kit last night and made sure everything I needed for Beth was in there. So at least that's ready to go. Okay, let's get ready. That took 2 seconds. I was like a crazy mess, and then just one gold up, and now I feel like I'm ready to go to work. Let's go. Hello.
Thank you.
Jennifer Hudson. We're ready for Beth, and we have a tight turnaround.
Hi, thanks.
Hi. Halfway through the day at Jennifer Hudson, my battery died, and for the first time in my entire career, I didn't bring a charger. The first time I was like, I'm gonna vlog all day long. My phone dies and I didn't bring a charger. Now, back home, the day is over. Having some wine by the fire. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna get better at this, but loud sneezer outside. I have really fun things to show you, and yeah, cheers. It's the end of the week, yeah. And I have 2 days with the gorgeous Megan Ferguson. Beautiful, hilarious, and super fun to do. Glam with, I'm working with one of my work wives, Toby Fleischman, on makeup, and she's wearing this sweet little like 1960s sparkly kind of mini dress. She sent me this inspo for hair, like a little 60s French twist with lots of volume. She doesn't have this bang layer, so it'll be more back, but I was just making sure, this is my set bag that I work out of. it's kind of like my home page. It has all my like clips and combs and main tools. But I wanted to get my pins together because of the updo. I know that I'll be using this series of pins. This is my company, Day Rate Beauty, this company. This is our 2-inch min pin. It's like a little French hair pin. And this is our color Prosecco, which is platinum, and I can use it for like the highlight bits. And then this is our 3-inch foundation pin. You can see the difference in size. So, you know, for gathering the little bits, or if you have shorter hair, you can use this size. This is longer. And then this is the bobby pin that I created. It's called our Hero pin. It's also 2 inches. And I kind of like taking an assortment of different colors and the different shapes so that, or sizes, so that I can you know, that I can put this where the highlights are, put this at the base where the root color is the darkest, and then this foundation pin is super strong and can hold the bulk of the weight of the updo. So you can see they're not bendy. They're made from upcycled stainless steel, and then they're coated in this plant-based nylon, which will never snag. It's not going to pull up or flake. It's not going to damage your hair. And because these are all sustainable, it's better for your hair and better for the planet. Yeah, so I'm ready to go to work. And then I also have another day with her tomorrow. Oh no, in a couple days, which her hair will be down. And I don't know if I'm gonna have time to vlog any of that, but I will show you the final look right here. That's a wrap. So dorky. That is a wrap on the day. I had so much fun doing that updo. One of the reasons I created Day Rate Beauty is because of my love of putting hair up. I obviously love like long, flowy, gorgeous hair, but man, it's just so fun. It's like sculpture, and working with someone like Megan who isn't afraid to play and do something fun and bold like that is just a dream. So I'm working with Toby, who, like I said before, is one of my all-time favorite people on the planet. It reminds me, you know, of why I love my job, is like working with people that I love and getting to be creative and playing dress up. It's like the dream. So not all days are like that, but today was a good day. Thank you for watching this vlog. I'm so excited to get back into the swing of things with the YouTubes. I guess I also have to say like, comment, and subscribe. Do you have to say that? If you don't say it, does it not happen? Is there some weird algorithm thing? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.